was it went down and went back up. Have you hugged your elevator today? Interesting question.
I'm not gonna open the doors.
Might be people out there. Here's the panel. Here is the certificate. And we'll get a quick CAD view. Just a typical Montgomery freight elevator of the 60s, 70s. Let's go back up. Tiny bit low on oil.